Hi guys! Tired. Just got back from dinner at Black Tap. Let me grab something to put you on. We just had dinner at Black Tap with Justin's family. Black Tap's the restaurant that sells burgers, fries, yeah, like Western food, burgers, fries, that kind of stuff, milkshakes. And what am I gonna say? It's already 11 p.m. on a Friday night. That's nice. I got goodies. Macarons to enjoy. So these are the macarons. I got the flavors. This one is Blend the Roses tea. It's basically a rose flavor. And then this one, the black one, is Napoleon tea and caramel. This one here is vanilla bourbon tea and blackcurrant. This one is their season's special for this month. The pistachio, something with pistachio. And then this one is tiramisu, number 12 tea tiramisu. Then this one is Earl Grey, Fortune, and chocolate. Can't wait. It smells so good. I'm gonna try it just for one bite before I go shower. Well, I'm waiting for the heater to heat anyway. And after that, I'm just gonna like Netflix and chill with the macarons. The pistachio for these seasons. I believe it's the Christmas one, but it's already January. It's the pistachio filling inside. Nice. Tiramisu. Oh, I can taste the coffee filling inside in between this tiramisu. Tastes very tiramisu-y. Next, Earl Grey chocolate. Earl Grey. I love Earl Grey flavor. This one, Focus Man. So this one's Earl Grey Fortune chocolate. It's super nice. I love it. Like once you eat it, right, like the Earl Grey flavor just hits you. Amazing. Vanilla bourbon. There's like speckles on it. So cute. This is vanilla bourbon and blackcurrant. There's a little blackcurrant filling inside. Not bad, but it just tastes sweet. Like there's no distinguished flavor other than like obviously vanilla sweet, right? Blackcurrant doesn't really like seem obvious to me as well, because blackcurrant normally is just like also there, sweet, kind of. Not my favorite. The black one is so cute. It's like a little black ball, you know, so cute and shiny. What is this again? Something caramel, right? Napoleon caramel thingy. I like that it's very... Whoa, my mouth is turning black. Oh my god. Guys, I can't believe like this macaron just made my whole mouth like black, including my tongue and teeth. Like how much coloring did you put in there? Look at this. God. I'm scared, man. It's like charcoal. I thought it was charcoal, but it's like coloring. The black coloring. Why did you put charcoal instead? Dude. Anyway, the caramel's good. You can taste the caramel. And the last one is Banderos tea. They said that it's one of their best sellers. So I was intrigued. Let's try it. Looks like this. Let's try. Really does have that rose flavor. Not bad, not bad. I like it. I think it's not for everybody. Like, it does taste very rosy. I know some people that doesn't like rose water flavor. Some people love it. I quite like it because I like bandung. Alright. You know what bandung is? Bandung is like a rose water syrup tea drink. Anyways, my favorite has got to be the tiramisu or Earl Grey. These two are my favorite. Yeah. Yum. They got a lot, like, let's go back. I'm gonna enjoy this after my shower. Better brush my teeth, it's so black now. I feel like I have like maroon lipstick on. Crazy. So yeah, I'm gonna... This is my Friday night. I'm gonna shower now, and we will go on to the next day in the next scene clip. Bye.